Welcome back to the Agenda Gap Facilitators Field Guide. We've reached Workshop 14, which is really the big finale for the whole program.
It really is the culmination.
Yeah. So today, we're diving into how you, as the facilitator, can help wrap things up powerfully, celebrating what the youth have achieved, keeping those connections going, and getting them ready for whatever's next.
And I think it's key to understand right from the start how different this session feels. We're stepping back from the really active project work. It's much more about reflection, appreciating the journey, and definitely looking towards the future, helping them really absorb it all.
Absolutely. And you kick that off right away. The welcome activity is pretty simple, but I think effective. Just asking everyone to share something they're looking forward to.
Yeah, in the next few months.
Right. It just shifts the focus outwards a bit, sets a positive, forward-looking vibe from the get-go.
Exactly.
So, okay, let's break down the workshop itself. It really is the grand finale, a space for the participants to properly reflect on everything they accomplished.
The big things, the small things.
Yeah, what they did on their own, what they managed as a team, all of it.
And the core purpose here is, well, twofold, really. First, obviously, celebrate that they finished their advocacy projects successfully. But maybe even more critically, it's about encouraging those continued connections for future projects, future support, keeping that momentum.
So how do we make sure that happens? What are the specific goals?
Good question. Okay, key objectives. Number one, make sure the youth really get what's coming in phase 4 of the Agenda Gap program that shift towards community implementation.
Right, taking it further.
Yeah. Second, set up easy ways for them to stay in touch with you, the facilitators, but also with each other.
Super important.
And third, just practically make sure the group still has access to all their project files, for future reference or use.
Got it. And the whole session takes about
2 hours. It's designed for a 2-hour slot.
Okay. So prep work. What do facilitators need to do before this session starts?
Right. Couple of key things. First, you need to find that success log, charting your wins document. The one from Workshop 13.
The personal journal thing.
Exactly. Make sure you have it ready in a format you can easily share and ideally edit together as a group. Shareable and editable.
Makes sense. What else?
The other big one is for activity 2, opening the time capsule. You absolutely need the time capsule I made way back in Workshop 1.
Oh, wow. Blast from the past.
Totally. And think about how you'll share it, projection, printouts, whatever works for how you set it up originally. Just have it ready to go.
Okay, good prep tips. Let's talk activities. First up is updating that success log. About half an hour for this?
Yeah, around 30 minutes. And this isn't just like ticking boxes.
Right.
It's their chance to really add in and reflect on all the successes, big or small, that happened after they wrapped up the main advocacy project work.
So you guide them through those columns again, the what happened with who, what changed, what next.
Exactly. And your role here as facilitator is huge. You got to really highlight their effort, their hard work. Don't let things get missed.
So delivery tip-wise.
Actively remind them, even of the smaller wins, they might just glance over. Reinforce that all the effort, every little piece added up.
Yeah.
It's not just feel-good stuff. It actually builds their sense of, wow, I did that, their agency.
Okay.
Encourage sharing moments they're proud of or things that had unexpected ripple effects.
Nice. Okay, then the time capsule.
Yeah.
Another 30 minutes.
Yep. Revisiting what they put in there right at the beginning, Workshop 1, and the core question is, how have things changed?
Okay.
So you share the capsule, go through the categories, ask folks, is this still relevant? What feels different now? Then have them maybe jot down personally what feels more relevant now and share that.
And the key tip here.
Make sure everyone gets a chance to chime in, even if someone wasn't there for Workshop 1 or didn't add to the capsule originally.
Good point.
Yeah, everyone can reflect on the journey and how their perspective has shifted. It's a really neat way to see growth.
Okay, that leaves the rest of the time for connecting close. What happens there?
It's a few smaller but really important things. Definitely take a group photo. Maybe some fun ones too, depending on the group's energy.
Always good.
Gather everyone in a circle for some final reflections. Favorite moments, what they took away from the whole program. Also, practical stuff. Confirm mailing addresses for their participation certificates.
Right, the practicalities.
And really facilitate sharing contact info among the youth. Maybe suggest setting up a Discord or a group chat, something collective so they can easily keep in touch.
Good idea.
And then guide the group to thank the facilitators. And of course, you and any co-facilitators need to thank them warmly, congratulate them on everything.
A nice mutual appreciation moment.
Exactly. Oh, and finally, the 8AWE survey, the post-program assessment. Try to get them to fill it out during the session if possible. But also send a follow-up link by email for anyone who doesn't finish it then. Got that feedback.
Right. So this session really is more than just an ending. It sounds like a crucial bridge, actually.
That's exactly it. It's a bridge to whatever comes next for them. This whole deep dive into celebration, reflection, connection. It gives you the tools you need to make sure these young people don't just finish a program and walk away. They launch from it with confidence, with connections, and with a real sense of what they achieved.
So the final thought for our facilitators listening.
Yeah.
As these young leaders take their successes, their connections, all that energy forward from the agenda gap, what new ripple effects are they going to create out there?